Welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems, home of the Access Point heat exchangers and Blue Baron truck mounts. And here we have a 100-gallon tank that just came out of production, and it has a 2-inch inlet. Now most of them come with 2-inch, but I just want you guys to know if you decide to buy a tank or a Blue Baron truck mount, that we can change the inlet size to suit your needs for your particular truck mount. Or if you just had a larger type of hose that you're using on the inlet, we can accommodate you with a high quality coupling, and we can have it TIG welded in replace of the 2-inch. So just to let you know. And then also the outlet here, typically they're 3-inch, but they can be bushed down to accommodate different size blowers. But we also make the 3.5 and the 4-inch as well, just to let you know. So with all of that, we're just trying to meet the needs of the carpet cleaning restoration people out there and make sure we got an even match with the hoses versus the couplings. Call us today at 727-505-2989 or visit us on our website at truckmountstore.com. Thank you.